Hey, what's going on guys? Donaldson are back in our video. Today I'm going to show you how you can get a volume shortcut to your keyboard. So, like if you have a computer and you have a laptop too, and you know that in laptop, because most of the laptop nowadays have like a volume control which may locate on the F function button, or maybe it's a separated button in the keyboard panel itself. But in a computer, you probably have that plain keyboard that doesn't have anything else. How could you get that features that you can get in laptop to your computer? How you can add it? We're going to use an application that will easily do that task, Okay, so the thing you're gonna need to do now is go ahead and download a program called 3VRX or something like that. So open up your browser and wait for it to load. Now do a Google search and 3VRX, or I will put the website link in the down in the description below. Alright, 3VRX. Yeah, something like that. Alright, so 3VRX. Oh, sorry, 3RVX. Huh. Alright, 3RVX. And here is the 3RVX website itself. Okay, so in this case, you gotta scroll down to the download section and get the installer one. Or you can get the portable zip, but I recommend you get the installed one. Okay, save that file. Okay, so it's alright, good. So that download has been done. All you do now is go ahead and open it. Alright, so here we are at the 3RVX setup wizard. You gotta click next, select your destination where you want to install it. I want to install it in the G drive. You can install it wherever you want, whatever drive you want, because I just prefer using G drive. You don't need to follow me, okay? G drive is not for you. It's only for me. All right. So click install. Basically, it'll prompt you an administrator thing, but I disable it now, so you can't really see it. And yeah, so please wait while installing. Well, the setup wizard installs 3RVX. Okay. Now you need to wait for the, and you can click out from your browser now, because we are done at that point. Okay, while we wait, if you didn't want to do all this, but it's pretty simple, I promise. But if you didn't want to do all this kind of stuff, then you can get one of those multimedia keyboard. Yes, if you want to buy multimedia keyboard, okay. Alright, so it looks like it's been finished now, but anyway, yeah, multimedia keyboard, get that thing, and it will be, the keyboard will have many buttons, like such as brightness and all that stuff, but sometimes it's not that cheap. Okay, so after the setup wizard done, click finish on that, and we need to open 3RVX itself. Okay, it looks like 3RVX. There we go, open it up, and you can see there's something here, like some box, and that's what I meant. Alright, after that, turn it on, and there we go. You can see there, the speaker icon in your tray, or your taskbar, whatever. If it's not here, then it will be in the hidden icon section. Okay, so here it is, 3RVX itself. You right click on that, and then you click setting. Alright, bring this menu down. So you can see here 3RVX setting. Now all we need to do now is just go to the hotkeys tab, you click that, and then you click the plus button here, not in the keyboard, but this plus button right here that I'm pointing with my cursor, right? Okay, so here we go. So basically, you're just going to add what kind of key you want to use to, like, you know, for let me just give you an example here. Like, first of all, I want my F2 key to be, for volume up. So click action and then increase volume. Okay, and then if you want and to add more than that, if you want to, add more, like decrease volume, just click plus. Alright, select the key and enter the key you want. I select F3 for that, and that will be for decrease volume. And yeah, so many things you can do, like mute, show volume slider, eject drive, eject, increase brightness, decrease brightness, set brightness, brightness slider, media key, virtual key, run, disable OSD or enable it, open setting dialog, or exit 3RVX. So a lot of things you can do, right? Let me just add one more button right here, and it's unlimited, whatever button you want. Oh, sorry. Yes, F4 will be for my mute button. Okay, so that's my thing now, and when I click apply, you see that thing right there. So click OK, and whenever I press F2, you can see here it's increasing. F3. Alright, F4. Alright, it will mute. So yes, you get this neat little box right here. Let me show that thing real quick. See, it's really neat. Okay, you get that, Mac looking feel, or maybe iOS too. So yeah, if you have Mac, maybe you'll know this kind of thing. And by the way, you can edit that box right there by going to the display section, and yes, you can get many of these. So haven't it's a Alright, let me just explain you what are these things real quick. Keep on top of our windows, you want to check that out. If not, then whenever you use other application, that little box will not pop up, so you don't really see what's the point of that. So hard when other application are full screen, but say like this, you open your browser in full screen and you not get that little box. So that's really see right there. Hide when DirectX application are full screen. No, what are DirectX application? Applications such as games like Grand Theft Auto, Watchdog, and all that kind of stuff is a DirectX application. So if you take this thing, then that little box will not appear when you're playing Grand Theft Auto. It will not appear when you're playing Watchdog or any other game that uses DirectX. But when you take that off, when you untick it, well, that little box will keep showing up. I like it like that because, who cares? I want to get maximum accessibility in it. Alright, so now position. So you can see here, if I turn on the volume, there we go. So you can see here that the box is on the bottom part of the screen. And if you want to move it somewhere else, you go to position and click this drop down menu right here, and I want it in the center because it looks way more neater, Okay, so if you have more monitor, then you can probably set the monitor as well. And animation, man, there's really many things you can do with this thing. Alright, animation, and I like it like that. And when I click apply, alright, so you see now, whenever I press my my hotkeys that I've set, you can see that I got the box in the center. And when I go into a full screen app, the box is still here. Okay, so that's the thing. So alright, so basically you are done at this point. You can edit more, like run on Windows Start. You gotta click on that, and if not, then whenever you want that, you want that keyboard shortcut, you need to open the 3RVX, and that will be a shit of this, that will be shit. And you need to take that thing, and so volume OSD install, that's cool. Enable sound effect, and you can untick it because let me show you the sound effect. And and if you disable it, it'll be like, you need to click apply first, and if you disable it, it no longer make that, sound. And personally, dude, I like it like that, nice, no sound type of thing. Alright, so that's neat. Automatic updates, you can click that whatever you want. And here's something interesting: skin. Now, what is this skin? Now, if you look at this, the box is looking like, the Mac OS one, and with selecting this like ignition, you click apply, and look at this, you get this cool little, I don't know, ignition type of thing. Yes, you can take many things you want, like pics. I'm gonna show you this thing real quick. Okay, a pixelated version, really cool if you are like one of those Minecraft fan. Okay, I small class, like apply on that. Look at this, like, an old computer. Alright, that's cool. Vista 808. Let me check that real quick. Okay, so this is Vista 808. Kind of cool. Personally, I like this classic one. Like play on that. Yes, you can choose your language between English or Chinese simplified. But right now there are only two languages that are available. So yes. So yeah, kind of thing. And with this being applied, now you can see I got this neat little thing here. Whenever I see, and basically just turn your plain computer keyboard to something that you would say cool, and you get this neat box also. I don't want to miss that thing out because it's really nice. Alright, so much you can do with that thing, 3RTX, and if you want to, you can, get one of those stickers, print it yourself, and label your keyboard. So alright people, that's it for this video, and don't forget to click like, subscribe, favorites. Glad if this video is useful for you. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next one.